Every time I open the fridge, it shows me my last meal. Last night, it was rotten meat. The night before, my own fingers. Tonight, the fridge was full of blood. I saw myself eating something moving. It whispered, "This is how you die." The door wouldn't close. Inside, my own dead body. It smiled at me from the plate. It's still showing, right now.